students, now we will work on next topic of chapter number 1, that is related to irrational number. One important theorem is there regarding board exam point of view. See, root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number. We need to prove this one. Root 2 is an irrational number. See proof. Let us assume that root 2 is an rational number. Therefore, root 2 is equal to a upon b, where b not equal to 0, and one more condition you can apply. A and b are co-prime number. Co-prime number means only one common factor, that is 1. After this, b you will take on this side, so it's become b root 2 equal to a. Now squaring on both sides, then b root 2 whole square equal to a square. It's become 2b square equal to a square. 2 you will take on that side, b square equal a square by 2. It implies a is divisible by 2. So mention this one as 1, this one as 2. Put a equal to c in first. In this you can put a equal to 2c. 2b square equal to c whole square. 2b square equal to 4c square. 4 you will take on this side. 2b square upon 4 equal to c square. 2 1s are 2 2s are. It implies b is also divisible by 2. Mention this one as 3. From second and third, a and b are not a co-prime number. So our assumption become wrong. Therefore, root 2 is an irrational number. Hence it is proved. Now beta, exercise 1.3, question number 1. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. For that, to prove root 5 is an irrational number, proof. Let us assume that root 5 is an rational number. Therefore, root 5 equal to a upon b, b not equal to 0, and a and b are co-prime number. Co-prime number means only one common factor, that is 1. Or you can write b root 5 equal to a, squaring on both sides, b root 5 square equal a square, 5b square equal to a square. Mention this one as 1. 5 you will take on that side. A square by 5. It implies a is divisible by 5. Put a equal 5c in first. Here in this line. 5b square, 5c whole square, 5b square, 25c square. 25 you will take on this side. 5 ones are 5 5s are. It implies b is also divisible by 5. Mention this one as, here this one we have mentioned 1, this one 2 you can mention, and this one 2 you can mention, and this one you can mention 3. From second and third, A and B are not a co-prime number. Why? Because co-prime number having only one common factor, but they both are divisible by 5. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore root 5 is an irrational number. Hence it is proved